Welcome to all, and thank you for being here. You're listening to Science and Math Success Affirmations. It takes 21 days to form a new habit. Listening to this video every day for 21 days will enable you to reprogram your mind for success. You can easily listen to this recording at night, as you go to bed, or in the morning while you're getting ready. We'll start with positive thinking affirmations and then move on to science and math success affirmations. Now, as you listen to the sound of my voice, allow yourself to relax in your own pace, in your own way. Now, I am the creator of my experience. I have all that I need within me. My subconscious is filled with unlimited resources. I allow the success formula to flow through me and manifest itself in my life. Everything I touch becomes a success. I choose to do what it takes to be happy, successful, and fulfilled now. Success is my birthright, and I accept it now. I choose to appreciate others who have great success. I aspire to do whatever it takes. I choose to believe in myself. I create my destiny. I am the master of my destiny. I expect success. I am open to success. I accept and deserve to be successful. I really love to create value for other people. My personality is positive. I have amazing resolve to succeed. I love making goals come to fruition. I am amazed by all of my creative ideas. I ask for what I want, and I receive it now. I joyously and easily move forward towards my goals. I allow myself to receive. I always take action on my amazing ideas. Success finds you wherever you go. I really love to create value for other people. Every step I take is a step towards bigger and bigger successes. I have a pleasing personality. I am so happy and grateful for the abundance circulating in my life. You have courage. People find you fascinating. You allow joy to flow through you. Others are attracted to me. You are enthusiastic and passionate about life. You choose to receive gratitude and you choose to give joy. I am a winner. You enjoy talking positive to yourself. I love and trust my intuition. I take action on my awesome ideas. You are alive to the joys of living. You know how important it is to appreciate the learning in every situation. That's why you love to learn. I deserve to be prosperous and successful. I encourage myself every day. You focus on what is important. You enjoy the satisfying feeling of getting things done now. I love the surprise when success comes to me in unexpected ways. I am alive to the joys of living. Your subconscious is filled with unlimited resources. You smile more and more. You experience the joy, experience, and fulfillment you want. You accept and deserve success. Enjoy manifesting from your heart. You allow your inner guide, your inner vision to help you accomplish your goals. There is more than enough for everyone, including me. I am open to success in math and science. I love learning. Success comes naturally to me. Every day, I am getting better and better at math and science. Problem sets are engaging ways for me to learn. I enjoy solving problems for myself and others. I am calm and peaceful while I solve math and science problems. I find solving problems fun Learning math and science is helping me accomplish my career goals and learn how to help others confidently. I am confident in my ability to succeed. I am using my skills in math and science to improve my income and advance my career. I am always grateful for the abundance circulating in my life. There is more than enough time for me to accomplish my study goals. I always ask questions in class and at office hours. I love the way I am. Success is my birthright, and I accept it now. Success is flowing through me from unlimited resources. I have more than enough of what I need to succeed. I excel at math and science. I am a great student, and I use my time wisely. I am proactive at my studies. I always schedule enough time to study and complete my homework in time. I always review my lessons after school. I always review last class's content before the next class comes. I know how to find what I need from my reading assignments. I take notes meaningfully, efficiently, and effortlessly. I am very efficient at how I use my time. I adapt to change quickly. I deserve to be successful. I am successful. Success follows me wherever I go. I can do it. Every day and in every way, I am getting better and better at math and science. I am building excellent problem-solving skills. People value my problem-solving skills and ask me for advice. People value my input in math and science classes. I always deliver excellent reports and projects. I am always prepared for my science labs. I have more than enough to succeed in my classes. I love math and science. I love the power that knowing science and math gives me. My classmates enjoy hearing me talk about math and science. I study productively. I always get enough sleep to succeed. I always take care of myself so that I will succeed. I always eat well so that I can fuel my body. I am grateful for everything that I have. I always seek out new opportunities to practice math and science. I am amazed by my excellent ability to solve math and science problems. Opportunities to apply math and science flow to me from unlimited sources. I accept success. I deserve success. I always ask questions when I am in class. I love myself and I approve of myself. I am a unique person worthy of respect. I have all the right solutions to all of life's challenges. People find me fascinating. I am my own self and I love the way I am. Great grades are flowing to me now. I am now creating my wonderful, ideal life. I know I am abundant. I always have enough study tools. I always seek out assistance when I need it. Every day and in every way, I am becoming more and more prosperous. I am worthy of great success. I love math and science. My greatest good is coming to me now. I am wide awake to the abundance circulating in my life. You are fun. You enjoy manifesting from your heart. You are a magnet to success. You turn every little event into something positive. You create opportunities and solutions with your excellent judgment. You are caring and supporting of others in ways that bring mutual success. I love to give and I love to receive. I love the feeling that having success in my studies brings me. I am intuitive about math and science. People find me engaging and helpful. I allow my intuition to guide me. I always take action on my awesome ideas. I really enjoy solving math and science problems. I enjoy the process of learning. You are alive to the joys of living. You smile more and more. I allow myself to live and study passionately. I enjoy talking positively to myself. I choose my thoughts wisely. I allow myself to get things done now. I am proactive about my studies. I am amazed at my awesome ability to solve math and science problems. I am thankful for all of my abundance and success. I am a powerful success magnet. I smile more and more. I ask for what I want, and I receive it now. I love making my study goals come to fruition. My personality is positive. People find me attractive. Every step I take is a step towards bigger and bigger successes. I am fun, and I enjoy manifesting from my heart. I choose power thoughts. You choose to trust your innate ability to attract success. You are thankful for every opportunity. You are the master of your life. You choose to be successful at math and science. You have what it takes. You radiate love to your classmates from the core of your being. You think power thoughts. You love the feeling of getting things done now. I am the universe, and the universe is everything. I am pure power in human form. I love my math and science classes. I enjoy experimenting with new techniques in my science and math labs. I love working with others to solve math and science problems. I love my life. I always take the right amount of time to invest in my future. I always look forward to my math and science lectures. I love the power and control that knowing math and science gives me. I accept and deserve success now. I choose to believe in myself. Others are attracted to me. I always take time out of my day to help others solve science or math problems. I believe in the power of math and science to help people. I always appreciate the learning in every situation. That's why I love to learn. I choose to give from my heart. I turn every little event into something positive. You focus on what is important. Everything I touch becomes a success. All these words will compound in your mind throughout the day and while you sleep. I am all that is. I choose thoughts that create more joy. Enjoy having fun. Enjoy every step, because each step you take brings you bigger and bigger successes.